King of birds. Once all birds in jungle gathered and decided that they should have a king among birds. Now the question was, who will be the king of birds? Mina had an idea and suggested, let's keep a competition between bird and one who fly highest could be crowned as king of all birds. Everyone liked the idea and agreed for it. Eagle, who was also present there, started to boast about his strong and big body and said, I am the strongest of all birds. You all know that I am only one who can fly highest. Then why bother with all this competition? Why not make me king now? Still, there is a possibility that you may not win, piped a little voice. Eagle turned to look around to see who said that. To his surprise, it was said by a little sparrow. In mocking voice, Eagle said, Oh, and who is going to beat me? You! Sparrow did not say anything. Later, all birds got ready for race. As soon as Owl signaled, all birds started flying up into the air, but they could not fly very high and very fast for long. One by one, they dropped out of the race. Only the eagle went on flying as strong as ever. Eagle looked below him and saw that all birds had given up. He said, Didn't I say that already? I am only one who can fly highest. Now you all agree that I am king of all the birds. What the eagle did not know was that the tiny sparrow had been flying under his wing. The moment he stopped, Sparrow darted out. He flew just above the eagle's head and cried out, No, 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 Mr. Eagle, I am king of the birds. Look, I have flown higher than you. All the birds agreed with the sparrow. In any case, they were glad to see the proud eagle beaten. They chose Sparrow as their king. Moral: even if opponent or the work is stronger than your ability, it does not mean that you should give up before trying, but instead you should think and try to find a solution to the problem sensibly and patiently. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel if you like my video and support guys. Thank you so much.